Why Velcro came from space science. Imagine zipping up without buttons or laces. Inspired by a plant that sticks to your socks. Swiss engineer Georges de Mestral was out walking in 1941 when he noticed burrs clinging to his dog's fur. Looking closer under a microscope, he found tiny hooks grabbing onto loops. That curious hike led to his invention of Velcro. Hook and loop fasteners inspired by nature. It wasn't just for shoes. Astronauts used Velcro on their suits and gear to keep things secure in space. From hikes to high-tech flights, Velcro's sticky idea stuck around. Love wild tales of tech? Hit like and subscribe for more